Welcome back, guys. Vitamins you're taking, are they healthy or not? That's a $1 million question. I'm not an expert in vitamins, but I can help you to approach websites and data using your Excel to see which one are the top vitamin companies and products that you should look into. So it's a good recommendation. Let's see how it works. Let's move on to our Excel and see how we can approach this. First of all, whenever we have to approach a website, we should know exactly the source. And I will share the source, this website, in the description down below. I have a source here that is multivitaminguide.org. You can go there and you can find out a list, and that is quite authentic in my opinion. But let's have a look and let's see how it works. First of all, you have to go on data. On your screen you can see data and then get data. If you recall, we worked around this and we went to many sources of data, and one of the source that we have in the data services is others and web. And Excel should go to website and pick the data. I clicked on it and I got a pop-up up there. This means you need to put the URL. And if you remember, I explained multivitamins guide.org. That's the website where we will approach. You will get the link in the description. I'm pressing OK, and when I press OK, Microsoft Excel went into a thinking mode, and then it approached the website, fetched the tables from there. The table that can be very good for us, that is this one. This is table number 0, and you can see the rankings up here and information available already. Okay, you can also view on the web view. It will show you the page itself, but down there it's the table. We'll stay in the table view and we will click on the load. When we click on the load, Microsoft Excel will fetch all the information in the form of a table. Now this table is live. It will get you up-to-date information whenever you will approach this Excel spreadsheet where you have this link. You just have to refresh the data and it will go back, as you see, to the website and pick the data for you. So you can see now the top information. Actually, it's top 100, more than 100 as well. This is one way of approaching the list and recommendations of best vitamin guide. Guys, you can figure out your own guides as well and you can connect them with your Excel. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section below. And if you are a first timer, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It was great speaking with all of you again. I really hope all of you are safe. Stay safe and take care of yourself, guys. And I look forward to speak to you very soon. Then, ta